previously recorded. Huge living room. I just be thinking, I'm like, how in the world am I set up in here this long? I mean, it's long.
Yeah, you're gonna have to figure out where you want your, you know, if you're gonna count, you know, TV's and everything, right?
So this is bathroom number 1. Well, y'all, I had a good 5 years in this house, and it's time to say goodbye to my 2-bedroom, 3-bath, where I started my YouTube at and where my marriage began. And it is finally over. And I'm happy to say that I moved on to do better. So on to new beginnings. This house will not be missed. It definitely won't be missed. But I appreciate all my blessings. Because this house right here, this house was a blessing. I ain't have to pay that much rent. And it was decent. We made it our own. It looks nothing like this with these gray walls. Nothing like this. Everything was yellow. So I can say that I left them a good house. Better than the condition it was that I moved in. So long to you. House, stove, sinking counter, so long.
Wake up, sunshine, the brightest sky. Follow me on this journey. Leave your troubles far behind. It's a new day, yeah. Lights out, I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight. What would we become if we don't take our chance, yeah. Oh, tell me, son,
Alright, y'all, this is what the kitchen looked like before it actually get painted. I done cleaned the cabinets and all that good stuff. It's been a while coming, babe, that's why. That's what it's looking like.
I don't pay the room in here.
Now the cabinet, now it's gonna get painted.
Wake up, sunshine, the brightest sky. Find me on this journey. Leave your troubles far behind. It's a new day, yeah. Lights out, I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight, night. What would we become if we don't take our chance?
Today they is working on the living room and the bedrooms. They is painting and not doing no trimming or none of that. But I just want to take y'all on the process. This video gonna be broken up into different parts. I hope y'all enjoy making our house into a home videos. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Welcome to my channel if you is new. And also I ask that y'all go over and show my second channel some love. But yeah, y'all just watch what's going on. It ain't gonna be too much talking, because if you're doing a lot of talking, you must ain't working, right? All right, so I hope y'all enjoy just watching. Today, you must ain't working. You talking? So this is what it looked like before, y'all. I just want to show y'all. And that's paint, not like a little, not no kind of board. It's just paint. It's a little bit of paint. Look like it's stenciled it on, didn't it, babe? Yeah. So this the room. The master bedroom, what it looked like. I just want to show everything what it looked like before we even get started. Babe, you gonna come into this bathroom next? So I can go ahead on and show it? Right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show the bathroom, what it looks like, the walls and everything. I just want to get it all before what it looks like. So yeah, let me show y'all the living room before Larry finished, cause Larry been getting down in here, y'all. He about finished with the walls in here. So let me show y'all what it looked like the before. That's the Larry. So the walls was like this in here, same colors. That's the dining area. Right here. All of this here. Y'all know how to be video, lights and stuff. Okay. And this is what he got so far. I don't even know where the light's at. Hold on. Anyway, this area over here. And how it all turned out. It's still wet. Oh, you turn the fan on dry faster? Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Larry, don't do me like that, man. Don't do me like that, man.
You said it the other time, but they like the hair go switch to you had to pull it.
Oh, okay. Alright, so this is what the kitchen look like. Y'all seen it last night, but ain't nothing cleaned up yet. So y'all will see the cleaning version later on some other time. But we got this here. Got the walls here. Looking good. With the gray paint, no trim, no none of that.
I'm painted up in the mud.
Bae, he in here acting like he, you know, a real professional. Can't tell him nothing. That's alright though.
Get the camera on me.
And so yeah, that's the kitchen, y'all, with the gray. So just imagine when it get cleaned up and everything, what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be nice. It's already nice now. I'm just saying though, you know. Go on, Larry. Get in there, Larry. Show them your painting skills, Larry. Show them them painting skills, Larry. Larry, cut first.
Hey, if you need your house done, call 850 LarryRock.com. Hello, Top Chick. LarryRock.com.
You can't put your phone on. You gonna have all kinds of people calling you.
They don't call that business.
That ain't gonna be no business. That ain't gonna be no business, honey. They're gonna be some crazy folks, I'm telling you.
Oh, no, I won't be.
Yes, you're gonna get some craziness going on. But y'all look at this color. And if y'all wondering what color this is by Bear Dynasty. Bear Dynasty. And the color is, oh, it's an eggshell paint. And the color is shark fin. That's the name of the color, shark fin. So yeah, and I love it. But y'all wait to see how it's really gonna be hooked up. Y'all really it's gonna be nice, y'all. It's gonna be nice.